The United Nations reports that humanitarian aid has become more complex with the turn of the century than when it was first established in 1945. Women and children, especially the girl child, have become more vulnerable, it reports. Girl child activists such as Malala Yousafzai and Yomni Park have advocated for the rights of the girl child in their respective countries of Pakistan and North Korea. But bringing the advocacy back home, Ruth Makandiwa established the #GirlChildSheCan campaign to be a voice of reason, progress and compassion from Zimbabwe. Today, she's in solidarity with Childline Zimbabwe to say that children are our heritage and our future, and they must be protected. But most importantly, that the girl child is relevant and that the voice of that girl child should be heard.
As Childline Zimbabwe, we would like to welcome this morning the team from Agape Family Care. We are really excited to have them here on board. Please feel free and welcome to the Childline family. We are very grateful to the donations that you're going to be making today to us as Childline Zimbabwe. We appreciate the work that you do as a church, but most importantly, I think we are also super excited to realize that we have a church that cares for the young people in its community.
We thank you as Agape Family Care. It was founded by Prophetess Ruth Makandiwa. It's basically what she's saying, that there has to be someone who has to answer the questions to the problems that are besetting our world today. And she has taken it upon herself that sometimes if you do wait for change, you will never make a difference. So sometimes it's important just to make the first move, and this is what we have done as Agape Family Care. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, team. And as Childline, we are super excited to have you on board, particularly the prophetess. Yes. We've never worked with her before, and to get a phone call from her saying we need to donate to the good cause that we serve, it shows that she believes in the work that we do. And I'm sure there's room for potential partnership between the Agape Family Care and Childline Zimbabwe. It takes all of us here to respond. So we are super excited with the prophetess coming on board. As Childline, 50,000 calls, we cannot stand here and lie to you that we are coping. We are not. It's overwhelming, and we need everyone. Yes. And we are glad Prophetess has come on board. She's held our hand, and we are happy to walk with her through the journey of assisting our young people. Thank you.
What she always says is, thank you nokuti gamuchira. Vanozviziva kuti nyika yedu, the future of our nation lies in children. And vana vedu vasikana mazuano are more vulnerable than they were before. Saka kuedza kuvachengetedza vana vedu ava, toziva kuti Zimbabwe yedu yakadi yasimba. Maita basa kuti.
Thank you.
My name is Daphne Jenna. I work for Childline Zimbabwe as the Business Development and Information Officer. Childline is an organization that was founded in 1997 by a group of women called the Soroptimists, which was aiming to create a reporting platform for children where they can call and make a report or have a conversation about their welfare or any issues they consider to be of concern. Childline has been in existence since then, and to date we've got 2 call centers, one in Harare, one in Bulawayo, and we have drop-in centers, 33 of them in all provinces of Zimbabwe. So what Childline does is we offer safe and confidential reporting mechanisms through a free phone 116. Any child, any person or an adult can call 116 dial from any line, and it's free of charge. Our service providers in Zimbabwe are providing us this service through the government of Zimbabwe and Potras. So what we do is when we get calls, some of them turn into cases. When we say they turn into cases, it means it's a concern that we need to attend to about that child. So when we get those cases, they are assigned to the various drop-in drop-in centers, which are physical spaces where we have an office, a counseling room, where a child or an adult can walk in with a child and receive assistance from our social workers. So the counseling rooms are then used to provide counseling to these children. Depending on what the case is, our social workers come up with a care plan, and they also contact the Department of Social Welfare, which we work closely with under the budget system. We do not attend to any child without the assistance of the Department of Social Welfare. They are the ones who guide us on then other stakeholders that we then have to contact. If it's the police, if it's the health services, if it's the judiciary services, those are the kind of services that we get. So today we have received a donation from Agape Family Trust. We have received a 20-foot container, and we have received groceries that comprise of sanitary pads for girls. We have received foodstuffs that include rice, beans, teas, juices for children. So what happens is when a child comes with a case, you may also consider other welfare cases that have nothing to do with the case itself, but you can see that there is more that needs to be done in taking care of the child. A child may come for counseling, but they will tell you they last had food 2 days ago because they ran away from home. Some will tell you that they are not going to school because they do not have access to sanitary ware. Some will tell you that I've been neglected, because neglect is one of the cases that we're also dealing with. So this donation comes as the lifeline of our upcoming Masvingo call center. We are in the process of constructing and setting up a Masvingo call center, which is going to be the third the call center that we will have. And we also have a drop-in center, which is going to be complementing the services of the call center in Masvingo, which is in Gutu. So this is where this container is going to go towards. It's going to be set up as a counseling space and as a quiet room for the Gutu drop-in center space, complementing the Masvingo call center that we are already setting up. And then the items that we have received, which are sanitary ware, we have soap, we've got food. This is also going to be given to the children and the families that are coming up, because sometimes you can provide a child counseling. You can tell the parents they need to do more in taking care of their children when they have nowhere to start. They do not have food, they do not have stationery, they have no soap. So this donation is going to go a long way in sustaining the needs of the clients that will be serving as Childline in Masvingo, particularly in Masvingo. We are expressing our gratitude to Prophetess Makandiwa through Agape Family Trust, who has donated these items to us. It took us having one meeting with her for her to then decide that she was going to immediately provide us with assets that they thought would be useful in our work. And it was also good to note that our work complements the vision that she has through Agape Family Trust, which is to ensure that we try and improve the welfare, especially of girls, but also not abandoning the boys, because all of them are children that need to be taken care of. So we are really thankful to the to Agape Family Care for giving us this opportunity to be able to assist the young people we will be serving in Masvingo to the best ability that we can.